Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 24th of August till 30th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know that this is a general reading, it might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's see for my Cancerians what is there for them in the particular week from 24th of August till 30th of August. Let's see now. 3 shuffles please. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Alright, let's see now. So the moon is there at the end of the deck. So it's like your energy right now, the moon, your overall energy. It's like that something is hidden, something secret, or some kind of when it's like that things really need to come out. So that kind of secrets which are hidden, I'm seeing. Okay, so your past energies are the Empress, 6 of Pentacles and the Hermit. So in your past the energies were really slow, but it's like you were growing through something. So a lot of growth is there, a lot of soul searching is there, and you might have just been with some kind of, you have dealt with some kind of stuff in your life, and right now it's the time, you have done all the work which actually needed to be done. Your present energies are the Star, 2 of Swords and 7 of Rods. So I'm seeing that there is a different energy in your present. Past energies were like growing and being alone, and alone and being like growing, being alone. So that is that energy. Right now it's like that you are fighting for yourself. You are taking a stand of yourself with the 7 of Wands, I'm seeing. And but with the Star, it's like a wish, a hope which is still there for something to end, because there is some kind of indecisiveness in your present as well. So that is why you are really like, I really need to end this thing. I really cannot just be in this confusion. I wish to end, because you are ready to fight for yourself over here. Your future energies are really beautiful with the 4 of Rods, 8 of Rods and Queen of Rods. So things are really going on, and with the slow energies in your past and with these energies in your future, it's like the actions are going to be taken. Whatever actions you wanted, they are really coming up in your life. So let's clarify now. Let's clarify the moon over here in your overall energy. Why the moon is here? Sorry, let's see these cards. Page of Swords with the 10 of Cups. So this is something, the secrets are, might be a stalker for you, but the stalker is not the bad one with the 10 of Cups over here. A stalker who is really someone who is actually looking at you with nice thoughts, not bad thoughts. But this is a secret stalker. That is why stalker is secret, obviously. So for some of you only, I'm seeing that someone is stalking you, because this is a spying card and spying secretively, who is like, but with the 10 of Cups, I'm not seeing it a very bad one. It's more of like that, to see you happy, to see you content, to see that kind of a thing. So well, the things are really hidden, so you don't know this yet. Something else is also happening in your life. Okay, so let's see why the Empress is here in your past energies. Why the Empress is here? So many cards. Why the Empress is here? The Page of Pentacles. What else? Three of Pentacles. So I'm seeing that you might have started something new in your life. With the Page of Pentacles, it's like a school, a learning process, and you have really worked hard. This Three of Pentacles, like working hard for a situation, and to gain that maturity, to gain that particular, that feeling of fulfillment. So this is what I'm seeing, that whatever you have worked on, yourself a lot. Might be work situation as well, might be something related to your career as well, but you have worked and you have developed that feeling in you as well. Let's see, why is the Six of Pentacles with the Nine of Cups? I'm seeing that wishes, that this is a wish fulfillment card where you wish for something. And with the Strength, see, so beautifully it has come up. It's like when your inner feelings start talking to you, that is the card over here, that is the messages which is actually over here. You are ready, you are like, you have done the inner work in your life. There's self-love, self-worth, whatever was not there at some point, is actually, you have attained that. You have attained that maturity. See this, how this person has white hair and beard. So this is not just just by sitting over there, it's like more of an experience. So I am seeing that you might have experienced a lot of things in your life, and that is why you actually worked on yourself, your inner. Basically, this is new you. I'm seeing the old you is gone, and this is someone who has developed into a beautiful person, like two different personalities. I'm seeing in your past you have done a lot of work. Let's see the Star card in your present energies, why the Star is here. Queen of Swords, okay, and Three of Cups. So it's like, where you are like, you're ready with your friends and you are enjoying with your family, friends, other relations, and you are chit chatting. There are reunions with your family, friends, everyone, and you are not ready to accept the bullshit, basically, because you have grown up. You know who is right, who is wrong. You can not judge, you can at least understand how people are talking, the way they are talking to you, the way they are behaving with you. You can understand that, you can identify that. So that is how you have become, from being the Strength cards, from being that, from gaining that inner strength in you, you have become that. And this Queen of Swords, she is the widow queen of the deck, and she is just not like that. I know she has, like, her heart is very cold. She is not ready to accept people, like emotions are off for her, but she knows, like, I cannot accept you just like that. You have to just win me. You just cannot be like, I love you, I like you, okay, so I'll be yours. No, she is not like that. She sees the actions. She does not just go for the words. No, she is not like that. Very beautiful queen, see. Let's see why the Two of Swords is here. Six of Pentacles again with the Lovers over here. Okay, so there might be two situations in which, where you have to two situations between, you have to choose love, and you have to choose your work as well. So it might be confused because of this thing, but this is more about, yeah, you're giving your energies. You are basically thinking that, am I giving my energies to the right person or the right situation? There is that question mark in front of you. Let's see one more card for this. Two cards, the Chariot, this is you with the Devil. Okay, so you are like, you want to move on from the situations. See, with the Devil and the Lovers, it's like some kind of a very addictive relationship, where you are attracted with this person, and you are like, this is a bond which is a very, this is a karmic cycle bond. This is not a very simple bond with the lovers and the devil. It's like, you know that this is harmful, but you cannot just, you cannot just uh, quit talking to that person. You cannot quit from that relation just like this. You are like, you want to go on also with this person. See, the lovers, the devil, the chariot, three major arcanas for this. It really means huge stuff in your life, really huge. you are you are confused, like, I'm really attached, I'm really addicted to someone or something. How can I leave it? Because you really are very much attracted towards this thing, and you are not ready. Both, from both the ends, this is the attraction. Because with the Six of Pentacles, it's like, not one side, this is both sided. So that is the problem, I guess, over here. Because you really want to leave as well, plus you don't want to leave. So that is why you are really like fighting. I'm seeing that you are fighting for your, not for yourself, you are fighting with yourself over here. Like, what to do. You are fighting with your thoughts, what to do. But with the Four of Wands in the future, I'm seeing that, things are really coming as a reunion. The bad things, if this is bad, it will end. If it's good, it will come to you. So it's all the God, it's all the angels who will decide. We are nobody to decide this thing. Okay, so the communication is very beautiful over here. People are coming towards you, I'm seeing. There's some kind of, might be someone is going to approach you, might be someone is going to propose you, I'm seeing, for marriage. Because they see you as Queen of Rods over here. Since it is August season, and being a Cancer, you are getting the Strength and the Queen of Rods. This Leo energies are over here. Might be you are dealing with a Leo, or you have Leo in your chart, but does not has to be. But you are behaving like a Leo, like who loves herself more, because Leos are just like, they love themselves more than anyone. So that is why, you are the talk of the town now. That is how people are seeing you. That is what I'm seeing. The communication is coming up. People are taking action for towards you. It's not like you are going towards them. People are coming, people are getting attracted towards you. Let's clarify this Queen of Rods again. Nine of Rods and the Four of Coins. So people are holding on. They are like taking a stand. They are like standing on their grounds to just win you. I'm seeing it does not has to be a person to win you. It can be a situation. It can be like a job opportunity, like someone really wants you to come in their job, to have to come in their company or something like that, because you are the perfect match for this particular thing. Whatever this thing is, you are perfectly, you sit perfect in the situation. That is why people are approaching you like, wow, you have grown up so beautiful, you have grown up like this and that. So these kind of talking are going on around you. You might not even know that right now, but it is coming up in front of you. Might be later, but it is coming up. Okay, so your beautiful energy, Cancers. I'm not seeing you very emotional this time, yes, but your overall energy is obviously always the emotional one. But it's more like, you are becoming the beautiful you now. So that's all from my side, my Cancerians. I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.